In this session, I will explain how to insert and manage captions in your document. This can be applied while preparing your document or after preparation of your document also you can manage captions. See, I already prepared this document and I have some figures, some tables, some programs, some equations, etc., etc. So I want serially I want to place captions to them. So see, here I have one figure. This is a figure. I want to place figure 1 like that. And in the next figure, I want to place figure 2. I have to remember, I have to type figure 2 or figure 3, whatever it is. But automatically system will generate serial captions to each and every area. See, here I want to insert a caption. What is this? Figure 1. Automatically the caption label came here. I can also change to picture or something. Suppose equation, table, figure, these three labels are there. If you want new label, suppose I am giving picture. Okay, this new label also you can apply. And right now I am taking figure 1. Okay. And you can change its size, etc., etc., as usual. Control Shift greater than, and you can make it bold and come down. So here this is a program. So I want to type a caption. Instead of typing, I am giving a new label, that is program. So automatically program 1 like that captioning will come. See, program 1. Okay. And come down. Here I have some other program. For this I want another caption. Insert caption program 2. And here again figure came. Insert, instead of program I am selecting figure. And for this program. So like that, keep on insert captions to each and every part of your document. Here I am giving program. And sometimes you may get tables. Suppose here I have one table. So for this I am giving table. Insert caption, and this time table. So automatically table 1 like that will come. And here I am having one figure. Insert caption and change the label figure. And keep on go through your document. What are the contents you have? Suppose here I am having again a table. So I want caption here. Insert caption. Again change the label to table. So like that you have serially generated captioning to each and every part of your document. Finally, see, like table of contents, I can place table of these figures, tables or programs in an area. Suppose to go through in your document easily, you can navigate where you want. Suppose at the end of the document, here insert table of figures option is there. See, it is showing all this like this. See, it is having something like it is giving web preview table 1, table 2 like that. Which caption you want, you can change that one. Suppose I want figures. So it is giving figure like that. And if you want leader, you can also take these formats, suppose classic, like that we can place. Finally, you can insert OK. Of course, this one included with table of figures scheme. And if you want insert table of, this time I want tables, include the label and number. So two tables are there, caption tables, and if you want next time insert label program is there. So for this I am giving OK. So like that list will come. See, if you place your mouse in any part of these areas, automatically it is giving control click. If you hold the control button, automatically hand symbol will come. Click now, automatically it will goes to the figure area and come back, control end. And if you want to go to the second program, control and click. See, this is the second program area. So like that easily you can navigate. And after that, again you inserted some, suppose I am going to insert again some other captions. Caption, and I am giving program, and here I am giving something, this is a picture like, and this time I am giving something figure or picture, you select, suppose picture, this time I am selecting. Okay. Finally, I want to update these captions again. So first select all these captions, automatically update table will come. So select on update table and update entire table. OK. Entire table. So three parts are there. For three parts it is giving separately. Delete that one. See, extra programs came and extra figures or tables what you added, everything will come. Everything will be added to the list. That is what update table. And you can also use cross reference to insert a particular label. Suppose here reference type it is giving. See, in this of course we have footnote, everything, but here I am giving figure, and these are the figures I have. Suppose figure 1 I selected, insert. And not only these figures or programs what I entered, we can also insert some other. I am pressing enter, and here I am pressing enter. Like I can give footnotes if there is footnote, and headings. Suppose select headings, and different headings are there. I am selecting this heading. So it is showing cross reference, is showing all the parts of your document. Which part you want, you can insert where you want. Okay, I am closing this one. If you hover your mouse to that area, suppose again it is giving control and hand symbol it is giving, click there, automatically you can reach to that particular area. So that is cross reference is the option, it enables to insert all the different parts of your document in a location, and you can go through that symbol or inserted area. Everywhere you can navigate where you want to go to. Okay, that is the captions group options. Okay,